Got some zucchinis growing in. These girls are not very old at all. Only had these in the ground for about maybe a month. And look at them now. Yeah. Trying to give you guys a good look at those. Only in the ground for about a month. And they're doing quite wonderful. Got some corn over here. Some cucumber. This side is my trial area. I don't know if deer are gonna come and eat my stuff up or not, but it's just to give it a try. You know what I mean? Yeah. We already got some good things going on over here. The zucchinis will be ready here shortly. This is my first time growing zucchini. Not sure how long they actually gonna take, but so far so good on this side. No deer has messed with anything. Let's keep our fingers crossed. And like I said, this is my first time doing zucchini. Any of this over here. I got popcorn. Got regular corn too, but regular corn and popcorn. Cucumber. Got some watermelon. And those over there are some more peppers that I'm trying out over here. Looks like it's going to be nice. They're doing pretty good. They started from seed too. And I forget what they are standing over here. I can't read what I put on them tabs to mark them, but they are peppers over there. And like I said, this is my trial little space right here to see if anything gonna mess with it. I'm trying this side of the house because on this side it gets more light than back there in the back where my other garden is, but over here is where we get the most light for 24 hours. Well, not 24, but the sun comes from east to west over here and they get a good light, so we'll see how this does.